Install heating column and help arm. Connect power supply and air supply. Install central oil. Aim it to the turntable center. Then lock it. Press tire with bead brake to the size at rim's smallest diameter. Move lock arm away turntable. Open column to a position larger than rim diameter. Press steel ring with central oil. Step pedal twice. Raise central column and lock steel ring tightly. Lock the mounting head. Adjust pressing nut to fix lock. Keep a distance of 2 to 3 mm between the mounting head from the rim. Press tire under the mounting head. Rotate the turntable, separate rim and tire. Lubricate rim and tire. Insert lever into tire. Move pressing disc opposite to mounting head. Press tire and raise level with level. Rotate turntable, demount tire. Raise tire with pressing disc to steel ring's smallest diameter. Then demount low side. Lubricate rim and tire. Press tire under the mounting head. Pull pressing disc and make turntable rotate together. Press tire to steel ring's smallest diameter with pressing disc, then install. Inflate tire fully.